to come back.
Good morning, guys. We have such a big day today, and I just felt like I needed to come on here right now at 9 a.m. in the morning and tell you the plans. So today I wanted to go to the gym at 7 a.m. That didn't happen, and I'm telling you that because I want to remind you guys that it is completely okay if things don't go as planned sometimes. I wanted to go at 7 a.m. It just didn't happen. So it is 9. I'm going at 10:30, and right now I'm at the food store because I have to get some flowers, and I also have to get soap and stuff like that for my house. I'm going to run into the food store now and get those things, and then head over to my gym class, which is Orange Theory. I love Orange Theory. I literally have everything with me. I have my little band, which I'm actually gonna put on now because if I don't, I'll forget to wear it. Then later in the day, I have to run to Target because I want to look for these things that are trending on TikTok, which I'll talk about a little later. And then also I have a graduation party and I have to go to my apartment to start packing, so I figured we would just have a little fun Saturday together. And I think I also might want to get Starbucks and get like breakfast or something. But with that being said, let's start this vlog and have a really good Saturday. Went to the store and I got some soap, and then I just got a Gatorade Zero for my workout class because I love drinking Gatorade Zero, especially when I'm working out. It like quenches my thirst so much. And then I also got these little goldfish pretzels. I love goldfish and I love the pretzel ones so much. I also like baby goldfish and obviously regular goldfish, but like those are like the 3 I always choose from. And I haven't had these in a while, so I wanted to get them. Also, when I was coming out of the store, I don't know if you guys can tell, but he's like still right there. I like came over to Orange Theory and this guy was like near me and I was like, okay, like whatever. And he started like walking towards my car when my car was parked because I'm not really in a spot right now because I'm waiting for somebody to get out of a spot when they leave their Orange Theory class that was before me. And he's literally just standing literally right there by my car and it's freaking me out because he keeps staring at me. So that's another reason I started filming. But right now it is 10:15. My class is in 15 minutes. So when their class gets out, I'll take one of their spots and then I'll go in and do my workout. And then probably after my workout, I'll stop at Starbucks because I'm starving. Right now, I'm just going to wait in the car and wait to take my class. Camera's being really weird right now. That workout class was so hard and I don't know if the air was broken or if it's just so hot out. Right now my car is reading 104 degrees and it's 11 a.m. I feel like it's probably like 95 and my car is just like overly hot, but still that's really hot and like the humidity is really bad, so I'm sweating. And right now I have no AC on in my car so I can talk to you guys, but I'm gonna go home and take a shower and then I think we're gonna go to Starbucks because I feel so gross right now that like I don't want to go anywhere. I just want to blast the AC on my face and go take a cold shower. I just took a shower and I feel a lot better. I didn't do my hair because I'm going to a pool party later. That's a graduation party. I thought it was like a dinner, like lunch type of thing, but it isn't. It's actually a pool party, which I'm really excited about now because of the heat. It cooled down a little. It's still 96 degrees outside, which is really hot, but it's not 104. I think that was just because of my car. It was in the sun, so that's probably why. But took a body shower, left my hair in the braids, and now I'm going to Starbucks. I want to get the new frozen drink. I think I'm going to get a strawberry acai and that, and I'm just going to try a sip and then I'm gonna give it to Chad, and then I'm going to get a coffee and also a strawberry refresher for later. I am going to get it with ice in it though because it's literally so hot. I never get ice. I don't like how it melts because it takes me a very long time to finish the drink, but since it's so hot I don't even care. I'm literally getting ice and I would like chug it if I have to because I need something refreshing so badly. I was going to get a bagel for breakfast, but I'm not going to. I'm like not really that hungry anymore. I had a few pretzels when I got home and I don't know, it's like enough to hold me over, so I'm not gonna get breakfast, but I am going to go to Starbucks and get my drinks because I just need them. I got the drinks. I literally just waited on such a long Starbucks line. I thought that going in would be better today because the drive-through line was literally out the door, but I literally just waited like 35 minutes. But here is the frozen strawberry lemonade, but I got no berries because I don't like the berries. Let's give this a try. I thought this was gonna taste a lot better. Hold on, maybe I need to try it with a straw. Oh, okay, that's better. Honestly, I'm not that big of a fan of it though. I thought it was gonna be a lot better. Like, don't get me wrong, it's good, but I just feel like it's overhyped. Like, in my opinion, the strawberry refresher is better. Then I got my regular drink, which is always so good. Oh my God. Yeah, in my opinion, that tastes better than this. I don't know if it's just because I don't like the texture of it. It kind of just tastes like a strawberry smoothie. Like, it's weird. Like, it's good, but I don't know. I'm like not surprised, if that makes sense. Like, I feel like it should feel like a refresher, but better than one, but it doesn't, if that makes any sense. But then I also got Chad a grande cold brew with non-fat milk and 1 pump of sugar-free vanilla for some coffee because he wanted coffee. Now I'm gonna go home. I was going to go to Target right now, but I'm running a little late on time and I have to get ready for this graduation party. It literally just started downpouring, so me and Chad are gonna go to the graduation party a little late because it's a pool party and it was legit just downpouring. Like, I couldn't even see where I was driving on the road. So I decided to come to Target after all. The thing I want to look for, I don't know what it's called, but I'll insert a picture from what I saw on TikTok here. They're like little Disney stuffed animals and they look so cute. I sent it to my friend last night and I was like, oh my gosh, I think these are at Target. Let's go. So I came to this Target, which is like 20 minutes from my house, because I wanted to see if they actually had it at our Target, because if they do, then I'll go with her again. But I don't know if they do because I've been seeing mixed reviews on if they're at Target or if they're not at Target. So I'm gonna go look. I have to look for something for Chad, and then I also have to get Chad's brother something. So just figured I'd come and bring you guys along with me. Also, I wanted to give you an update. I feel like this whole video has been me talking about what I'm doing in my car, but we are not going to my apartment to pack anymore. We're going there tomorrow, so I'm gonna make a whole other vlog with that. I'm gonna have like a day with my mom and she's gonna help me pack because Chad's cousin from Norway is here and we like never got to see them, and they invited us to go to hibachi tonight. I haven't had hibachi in so long. I am so excited. I was like, yes, let's go. Oh my gosh, my apartment can wait. So we're gonna do that instead. But first things first, let's go to Target and then we're gonna go to this graduation party. I'm leaving my hair in braids because if it rains and I get soaking wet, I'm gonna get so mad because my hair needs to look good for tonight, because obviously if we're going out, I want it to look nice. Let's go to Target and see if they have what I'm looking for. Was really upsetting because they literally didn't have anything at Target, not one thing that I went there for. But the guy that I talked to there did say they did have it, but they're just sold out, so I will go back with my friend. The only thing I did pick up was the Halo Glow liquid filter. I think it's a foundation, but I know that's like lighter, and I've been seeing it all over TikTok, and when people use it, it looks amazing. Like, it makes people's skin look so glowy, so I wanted to try it out. So I just got this one, and maybe I'll try it on later. Right now I use the Laura Mercier foundation and I love it, but it's very heavy. From what I've heard about this, I don't think this one is as like heavy on your face, so I wanted something for like coverage but not full coverage in the summer and when I'm on the beach and stuff like that. And I do need to find a good sunscreen to use on my face, but I know there's a lot out there that don't make people break out, so I'm gonna try to find one of those as well just to have extra coverage. But I'm really upset that they didn't have anything I was looking for. I literally went for Chad's like Pokemon cards, and then for Chad's brother, all he wanted was an Amazon gift card, and they didn't have that either. Even the guy was like, we don't even have Visa gift cards right now. Like, they were sold out of everything for some reason. And this, they were actually sold out of my shade, but I got a shade which I think will still look good, hopefully. And the lady like just restocked it as I was walking up to the beauty section, so I was like, oh my gosh, I'm getting that. It's a sign. But I'm gonna go home now because it is 2:50 and the party's at 3, but since it was raining, me and Chad just decided to go a little late because we're not gonna stay very long. But with that being said, I gotta go get ready, change into like a bathing suit, get a hat, put some sunscreen on. I just got back to Chad's house and now we're gonna go to the graduation party. I'm literally wearing the same shirt and then just a bathing suit underneath with some blue shorts. So we're gonna go now because we're a little late. It's like almost 4. We just got back from the graduation party. It was really fun, but now me and Chad are going out to dinner with his family and we're gonna go get hibachi. I just threw on this like cardigan with some jeans, but it is so hot outside, but it's literally the only thing I have here, so it's gonna have to work. And then for my hair, I think I'm just going to take it out really quick. Hopefully it looks fine. And then I have these little cute clips from Princess Polly and I'm just going to use it to clip my hair back because I think that'll look cute. Kind of like that. Yeah, that looks cute. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, obviously. But the party was fun. It was just very, very hot because it rained all day. It was like so humid outside, but they had so much food. I didn't really eat anything though because I knew we were going out to dinner. They had pool, they had a lot of drinks and everything, and they were putting like really cute little Hawaiian umbrellas in the drinks. It was so cute. Let me show you my outfit. So I'm wearing these jeans from American Eagle. I'm wearing this little shirt. I don't remember where it's from. And then this cardigan, I think is from Target, and I don't know, I think it's cute, but I might be sweating. I don't think I've ever told you guys this, but hibachi is actually one of my favorite foods ever. I don't have it too often, but when I do have it, it just is so fun in my opinion, and it always tastes so good. I love watching them cook in front of you, so I'm actually so excited. I've been like so excited for this all day because I haven't gone probably since like last May, so it should be fun. just got back from dinner. It was really good. I got the filet mignon with fried rice, noodles, and broccoli, and oh my gosh, I haven't had that in so long. It tasted so good. And then I got this drink. It was vodka with, I don't know how to say it, but it's like a blue type of drink that makes your blue drink, and then it had orange juice in it as well, and they made it like very Hawaiian theme, and it was so cute. We just got home and I'm gonna go to sleep because I'm really tired, and hopefully edit this video and get it up by tomorrow. Tomorrow I have a whole other day planned. I am going to my apartment with my mom and we're gonna start packing, which is really exciting. So I think I'm going to put that in another video just because I feel like if I put it in this video, it'll just be a very dragged out video, and I want to get this posted for tomorrow. So that is the plan. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you really soon in my next video. And get ready for so much moving content because it's gonna be amazing.